You're addicted to motivation, and it's destroying your life. Every morning you scroll looking for that hit, that one video, that one quote, that surge of today's the day. You feel it, the rush, the clarity, the certainty that this time will be different. And then 3 hours later, you've done nothing, because that wasn't motivation. That was a drug, a dopamine hit that made you feel like you were doing something without actually doing anything. You're not building, you're getting high on the idea of building. And the worst part? You keep going back because the feeling is easier than the work. Here's what nobody tells you. Motivation is designed to keep you consuming, not creating. Every video you watch, every quote you save, every screenshot you take, it's all just another hit that delays the actual work. You think you're preparing. No, you're procrastinating. You think you're getting ready. No, you're getting distracted. You think you're building momentum. No, you're feeding an addiction. I'll say that again. You're not building momentum. You're feeding an addiction. Real builders don't need motivation, they need a decision. One decision, then action, then repetition. Not feelings, not inspiration, not another video telling them they can do it. Just decide what you're building, then build it. Today, tomorrow, every day after. No hype, no pump-up speeches. Just work. So, here's your reality check. How many hours have you spent consuming motivation this month? Now ask yourself, what did you actually build with all that inspiration? If the answer is nothing, you're not unmotivated, you're addicted to the feeling of being motivated without the discomfort of actually doing the work. The cure? Stop consuming, start creating. Delete the motivation accounts, unsubscribe from the channels. Stop looking for the next hit and just do the thing you keep telling yourself you'll do once you feel ready. You'll never feel ready. That's the point. The feeling isn't coming. The work is waiting. Stop getting high and start getting to work.